So we're going to find the vertices and asymptotes for this right here. So I've got y squared, and 49 is pretty recognizable as 7 squared minus x squared over 16 would be 4 squared equals 1. So here I have my a is equal to 4 and my b is equal to 7, and that this is centered at 0, 0. Now notice we have a y squared minus an x squared, so that one's going to be oriented up and down, and we just need to find those asymptotes, which is related to the a and the b. So the slope for the asymptotes is going to be my b over a plus or minus. So that's going to give me 7/4 plus or minus. And since the center is 0, I don't have to worry about shifting the line through the center. So the asymptote should just be y equals plus or minus 7/4 x. And then the orientation, let me draw a slightly better job of that. Let's say here's the origin here. And if I go up 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and over 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So that would be one of those. And let's come back through here. And then the other way would just be up 7 over 1, 2, 3, 4. Oops, 1, 2, 3, 4 here. So that would be the other asymptote. And since it's y squared minus x squared, it's going to be oriented up and down. And then a vertex point from the center would be up 7. So right here, down 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then it's going to head toward its asymptotes from there. Probably a little steeper than that. That was not very neat. Something like that. Then we'll graph this to double check. So it looks like list the coordinates of the vertices. So it's centered at 0, 0. So x equals 0, y equals 7 should be one of those. And the other vertex should be 0, -7. And the equation of the asymptote with the positive slope would be y equals 7/4 times x. Let's graph to confirm. So we have x squared over 49. Oops, I lied, y squared. Minus x squared over 16 equals 1. And zoom out. And then if we take our square root of 49, which is 7, square root of 16 is 4, that should be the slope of the asymptote passing through the origin. So that would just be y equals 7/4 x would be the asymptote with the positive slope. And the other one should be y equals -7/4 x. And so this hyperbola has to live in between those. If we zoom out in the big picture, it looks like a big X. You can hardly see the curves in the middle there. And if we zoom back in, we can see the vertices at y equals 7, x equals 0, and y equals -7, x equals 0 there.